Hey guys, welcome to Tenorshare. If you forgot your iPad passcode and now it shows iPad unavailable, don't panic. If you're not sure how to fix it, you can check out the link in the description. Apple has provided an official solution there. In today's video, we're going to walk through Apple's official method step by step. And if your iPad doesn't support the official method, don't worry. We'll also cover other reliable ways to unlock your iPad. Let's get started. First, let's go over the requirements for Apple's official method. Your iPad needs to meet 3 conditions before you can use it. If your device doesn't meet these conditions, you'll have to move on to the second method in this video. On iPadOS 17, when you enter the wrong passcode too many times and see iPad unavailable, you'll find the Forgot Passcode option at the bottom of the screen. On iPadOS 15.2 or 16, you'll need to enter the wrong passcode 3 more times. Then, you'll see the Erase iPad option, which works the same way as Forgot Passcode. Once you select this option, you can reset your iPad. You'll need to enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Then your iPad will begin resetting to erase the lock screen passcode. This process usually takes about 10 minutes, so be patient. When it's done, your iPad will restart with the Hello screen. From there, complete the setup process to get back in. During setup, you can restore your data using iCloud or a previous backup. And that's it. But if your iPad doesn't support Apple's official method, let's move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Unlock your iPad using a computer. You'll need to download Tenorshare for UK from the link in the description. This tool makes unlocking your iPad faster and easier, with no special requirements. Connect your iPad to your computer. Launch For UK and select Unlock iOS screen, then click Start. Follow the on-screen steps to put your iPad into recovery mode. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button. Wait until the iPad powers off and enters recovery mode, then release the button. For UK will detect your iPad and prompt you to download the latest iPadOS firmware. Click Download to get the firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Start to remove. Your iPad will now begin resetting to remove the lock screen passcode. This process takes about 10 minutes. When it's done, your iPad will restart. Now, just go through the setup process to use your iPad again. This method is great for beginners. It's simple, stable, and effective. If you see the iPad locked to owner screen, just enter your Apple ID and password to activate it. Solution 3. Reset your iPad using iCloud. If your iPad is signed in with your Apple ID and connected to the internet, you can reset it remotely with Find My. On another iPhone, open the Find My app, or on a computer browser, go to iCloud.com/find. Sign in with your Apple ID. You'll see a list of devices linked to your account. Find the locked iPad, then scroll down and select Erase this device. Follow the steps and enter your Apple ID password again. After that, the reset will begin. Tap Erase, and within a few minutes, your iPad will start resetting. When that's complete, tap Remove this device to unlink it from your account. Wait for the process to finish, then set up your iPad as new. And that's it, 3 reliable ways to unlock your iPad. Keep in mind, if you don't have a backup, these methods will erase your data, so proceed with caution. I hope these solutions help you out. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.